Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show new updates released of Griffin-Unlocker tool. Very best GSM tool. Download and install Griffin-Unlocker tool by following this video. First in world how KG updates. Backfire like rocket. Add new hot method for remove Samsung locks KG Knox MDM permanently. New update KG locked to active support all patch 2024 to 2025 permanently. OneClick only via USB only, no need disassembled. In few sec KG will be removed permanently, not bypass its remove. Can use full power of device after remove, all bits and Android versions. Without disable system MUI or install custom UI. Without flash files, no credit, only USB need. Wi-Fi, SIM, add account, everything work fine after remove. No relock if update, format, Wi-Fi connect. No call not send problem after remove. Support all Samsung models. Support all Android version. Support all CPU MTK QC, SPD Exynos. Tested in latest patch levels 2024 to 12. Auto disable IT admin, disable factory reset. Remove KG Knox locks permanently. Improve many operations bugs. This part is show you how to bypass KG with Griffin tool. Just see and follow me step by step, like this video and write a comment on below this video. Also share if helpful with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe this channel for more updates. Press bell icon for getting notification of my upcoming videos. Now being with video again. If you want remote service for KG remove on Samsung phones, you can contact our WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is 923086583260. Check out description link all required files which use in video. And don't forget to subscribe this channel for more updates. Press bell icon for getting notification of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.